Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add a new account or a profile or a user to your Nintendo Switch so you can play your games with your friends. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So it's very easy to add a new account or user to your Nintendo Switch. Let's press the home button on my controller and go back to this screen right here. Then go to this bottom bar and scroll on over to System Settings, located here, and select A on this. Now on the left side, let's scroll on down until we get to Users. Now I can see I have two accounts on here, Rose and Timbo. Now if I go on down to Add User right here, I can create a new account. So let's press A on this. Now, let's go to Create New Users. Now, if one of your friends did come over and you want to add their account to your Nintendo Switch, you can go to Import User Data from another console right here and select that option. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user completely. So let's select A on this. Now let's choose my profile. Let's use Samus as my profile picture. Perfect. Now let's name it. Let's go ahead and just do, let's go Jim. And then press the plus icon and go to OK. And save this user nickname. And press OK. This user will be added to the console. Awesome. Now if you do have a Nintendo account, you can link it at this time. Or you can go ahead and do it later. I'm going to choose later. Awesome. Now I can see Jim is added to my user profile list. And I can change the order in which the users appear. So if I wanted Jim to go first, or second, or third, I could do that now. Awesome. So I can see Jim on here. And you can delete this account or link it at any point in time by selecting it. I'm going to delete user, link account, add the icon, or the nickname. Now when I go back to the home screen, I can see Jim has been added to my Nintendo Switch right in the upper left. So I can see my main account, Tim, right here. Then I can switch to Jim at any point in time. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.